Meet the Nintendo Switch OLED, the console that transforms the way you play. With its vibrant 7-inch OLED display, every game feels more alive, with richer colors and deeper contrasts than ever before. But here's what most people don't know. The OLED model also comes with an upgraded audio system, delivering clearer and more immersive sound whether you're playing handheld or docked. The adjustable wide stand makes tabletop gaming far more stable than the original Switch, so you can comfortably share the fun with friends. And with 64 gigs of internal storage, you have double the space compared to the standard model, perfect for downloading your favorite games on the go. What really sets the Switch OLED apart is its versatility. Dock it to your TV for full HD gaming, use handheld mode for portability, or enjoy tabletop mode for multiplayer sessions. Whether you're diving into Zelda, Mario Kart, or indie favorites, this console delivers premium performance in every scenario. If you want the ultimate Nintendo experience with upgraded visuals, sound, and build quality, the Switch OLED is the one to get.